You're watching the Daily Market Comment by Rafi Boyajian. I'm Christina Marujos and thank you for joining us at XM.com. Markets were calmer on Tuesday as the panic over President Trump's health subsided further while negotiations for a new coronavirus relief bill continued. Asian stocks got off to a positive start, lifted by news that Trump had been discharged from hospital. But the gains were modest and European and U.S. stock futures were mixed amid ongoing speculation about the severity of his illness. Contradictory reports from Trump's physicians as well as from the White House about the seriousness of his condition have added to the mystery surrounding his health. What is clear is that Trump is not out of the woods yet, and if the president and his team continue to downplay the virus, there is a risk his health could deteriorate again if he goes back on the campaign trail in full force. Hence, how he chooses to respond in the next couple of weeks to upcoming events, such as the second presidential debate, will be watched closely and is bound to keep markets on edge. However, what matters more for the markets right now is whether or not there will be another big fiscal stimulus package. Talks between House Speaker Nancy Pelosi and Treasury Secretary Steven Mnuchin are ongoing as the two sides try to bridge the gap on the size of the package. There is growing hope that a deal in the range of $1.5 to $2.2 trillion is possible, and that would be large enough to keep markets happy. But until then, any bounce in risk appetite is likely to be limited, with stocks probably struggling to break outside their sideways range. In the FX sphere, the Australian currency was the worst performer today after the Reserve Bank of Australia flagged further easing at its monetary policy meeting. The RBA indicated that lowering the high unemployment rate will be its priority. The US dollar, meanwhile, was flat against the basket of currencies as it moved off a two-week low. There are too many unsettled questions, and until their outcome is known, investors are unlikely to be deserting the world's favorite reserve currency in big numbers. One of those unresolved matters is Brexit, and signs that the UK and the EU are determined to keep talking until they reach a deal is supporting the pound. This was today's Daily Market Comment. Thanks for watching at XM.com.